Response of targeted therapy alongside chemotherapy in an AML patient with COVID-19. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In this chapter, more detailed information was provided, which describes the first cycle treatment in a case of a newly diagnosed COVID-19 pneumonia in an AML patient. Pneumonia is a major cause of death among patients with leukemia. Venetoclax, a BH3 mimetic and selective BCL2 inhibitor, is a medication used to treat adults with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, acute myeloid leukemia, AML, and small lymphocytic lymphoma, SLL. A 70-year-old normotensive, non-diabetic male was diagnosed with endocarditis with Aerococcus viridans after a third molar extraction, followed by persistent fatigue, fever, weakness, nausea, and excessive sweating, especially at night. Afterwards, he was also diagnosed with AML M2 Fab, acute myeloblastic leukemia with maturation M2. In this severe COVID-19 case, it was shown that the venetoclax treatment functioned even in its first cycle, and moreover even without increasing the daily dose over 100 milligrams. One observed that the initial high value of monocytes, 1:6:0 dropped after the 28-day period close to the normalization threshold, 2500 L, more exactly to 2360 L. The positive response to venetoclax occurred even if the patient developed other comorbidities during that period, such as for example severe anemia within the disease, thrombocytopenia, and SIRS, systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Venetoclax is a medication used to treat certain types of blood cancer, such as acute myeloid leukemia, AML, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, CLL, and small lymphocytic lymphoma, SLL. It works by helping cancer cells die through a process called apoptosis, which is normally blocked in leukemia. This drug is especially useful for older adults or those who cannot handle strong chemotherapy. In Romania, venetoclax was only recently approved for AML treatment, and for many years, patients had to pay for it themselves or rely on support groups. This report discusses a rare case where a patient with AML began treatment with venetoclax and then developed COVID-19 pneumonia during their hospital stay. Despite the added complication of COVID-19, the treatment continued and showed promising results against AML. This case highlights the potential of venetoclax to be effective even when the patient is facing other serious health issues like a COVID-19 infection. Venetoclax is typically used along with other medications like azacitidine, which is a gentler form of chemotherapy for people who can't undergo intensive treatment. This case suggests that venetoclax deserves more research, especially for patients dealing with both cancer and other infections. This case describes a rare situation where a patient with acute myeloid leukemia, AML, was treated with venetoclax during a COVID-19 infection. Despite the complications, including severe anemia, low platelet count, and a strong immune response, SIRS, the treatment worked well against AML. If the patient hadn't been infected with COVID-19, his expected survival could have been over 12 months, with a strong chance of continuing treatment and living even longer. Interestingly, venetoclax may also have helped reduce the effects of COVID-19 by targeting the virus's spike protein, which allows it to infect human cells. This case shows venetoclax's potential not just in treating leukemia, but also in helping with virus-related complications. The findings support the need for more research, especially for treating leukemia patients who are also battling infections like COVID-19, and may help guide future treatment plans. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.